Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabet words. Let's get started. A. A for alligator. Alligator. B. B for balloons. Balloons. C. C for cloud. Cloud. D. D for donkey. Donkey. E. E for envelope. Envelope. F. F for forest. Forest. G. G for grapes. Grapes. H. H for hammer. Hammer. I for igloo. Igloo. J. J for jeep. Jeep. K. K for king. King. L. L for ladder. Ladder. M. M for moon. Moon. N. N for net. Net. O. O for orange. Orange. P. P for pizza. Pizza. Q. Q for queen. Queen. R. R for robot. Robot. S. S for snake. Snake. T. T for turtle. Turtle. U. U for uniform. Uniform. V. V for virus. Virus. W. W for window. Window. X. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. Z. Z for zipper. Zipper. Thank you kids for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.